Morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope that you all are happy and well at your homes. Be safe, be healthy, and as you all know that we have started our online classes, and this is the first chapter and the first part of social science, that is the third part of social science, that is geography, and the first chapter of geography is environment. Okay, basically first of all let's discuss about environment. What is environment and what are the main things linked and what are the main things associated with environment, and what are the main parts and things and all the major constituents with related to environment. So we have to study about all the things. Okay, so to understand all the terms and all the basic understanding of the chapter, so first of all let's discuss the concept of environment. Okay, basically if we talk about environment, then we can say that all the things which are around us. Okay, basically all the man, okay, basically humans, animals, okay, and our natural air, okay, all the parts of a particular environment, all the parts of a environment. Okay, basically environment is the particular area which we are living, okay, and which also related to the other things that which is also including the animals, okay, and in which the interaction of the humans, the interaction of the basically the whole thing, that is known as environment. Okay, so human environment is or environment is made of two parts. The first part is natural environment and the second part is the human environment. Okay, natural environment is the environment which is created by nature. Okay, natural environment simply means is the environment which is created by nature, okay, which is nurtured by nature, okay, which is made by nature. So that is known as natural environment. Like if you see air is not created by human, okay, water is not created by human, okay, atmosphere is not created by human. These all things are created by nature. So that's why these all things are included in natural environment, or basically these are called as natural environment. Okay, on the other hand, if we talk about the second thing which includes the environment, that is human environment. Human environment is the environment which is made by humans. Like if we see a particular park, okay, this park is made by a human. Okay, if we talk about all the things like roads, railways, transport, communication, okay, the bridges, okay, the energy resources, okay, the energy sources, okay, basically these all things are made by humans. So basically these all are included in the human made environment. Okay, so basically environment is a concept which says that all peoples, things, okay, humans, animals, all are the parts of a environment. Environment is made up by two parts. The one part is natural environment, the another part is what? Human environment or human made environment. Okay, the next thing is that we have to understand the next topic is that natural environment is made up of biotic as well as abiotic things. Okay, basically if we talk about natural environment, so let's discuss about natural environment something. So basically natural environment is the environment which is created by nature, as I told you earlier. Okay, natural environment includes biotic and abiotic environment. Okay, biotic means all the things which have life are called biotic things. Like animals and humans, all are biotic things because they have life. Okay, non-biotic things are all the things which are not have life but are created by nature, like water, like air, like sunlight, like mountains, like rivers. All things are natural but they don't have life. Okay, but they created by nature, so that's why they are known non-biotic natural environment. Okay, on the other hand, human environment is the place where humans interact among each other, where humans made different things, different areas, where humans are made societal relation with one another. Okay, so that are known as natural environment. Okay, so let's discuss about the let's discuss natural environment in a comprehensive way. Okay, so basically natural environment is made up of four parts. Okay, the first part is known as lithosphere. Okay, lithosphere means lithosphere is made up of two words, that is lithos and sphere. Okay, the area which is made by rocks, so that is known as lithosphere. As you all know that the whole the earth, basically the part of the earth which is covered by rocks. Okay, basically the area which we are living, okay, is covered by rocks. Okay, and upper covered by a thin layer of soil, so that is known as lithosphere. Because why we called it as lithosphere? Because it whole of the area is made up of rocks, and the rocks are covered by the thin layer of soil, so that is known as lithosphere. Okay, lithosphere is the area which we are doing our basically all the activities of the human are happening or occurred in this part of the natural environment, so that is lithosphere. The second part of the lithosphere, basically this is called kya? Lithosphere. Okay, the second part of the natural environment is known as what? The second part of the natural environment is known as hydrosphere. Okay, basically hydrosphere is the area which is made by mostly by water. Okay, all the area which is made by water, so that is known as hydrosphere. Okay, the basically all the rivers, oceans, seas are made by the water, so that is known as hydrosphere. The third part of the earth surface is known as what? Atmosphere. Okay, atmosphere is the area where basically the area where the basically atmosphere is the thin layer of the earth. Okay, basically which protect us from the harmful radiations of the sun. Okay, it protects us from the harmful radiation of the sun which came from the basically space, and that is known as atmosphere. Okay, the last part of the natural environment is known as biosphere. Biosphere is the part where all the three parts, mainly hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere, interact with each other. Okay, biosphere is all the area where bio means all living things are present, all living things are there, and there basically all things are, biosphere is the area where all living things are interacting with each other. Okay, basically these are the area where biosphere, where lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere interacting with each other, that is known as what? Biosphere. Okay, so these are the four main domains of the earth surface or earth. Okay, it is also known as domains of the earth. Okay, so the next thing is that basically we have to understand the next thing, that is known as what? That is known as ecosystem. Okay, your next topic is ecosystem. Basically ecosystem is the, so we are talking about ecosystem. Ecosystem is the term which means that all living things and non-living things plus their physical environment is known as ecosystem. Means all the people, all the humans, animals or plants or their physical environment, including their physical environment, is known as ecosystem. Okay, where all environment activities are taking place, that is known as ecosystem. Okay, the last topic of the chapter is the human environment. What is human environment? So basically if we talk about human environment, then we can say that all things which are created or made by humans, so that is known as human environment. All the things which are made by humans, like agriculture, they are doing agriculture for getting food. Okay, they are also involved in doing basically they are also involved in doing agriculture, in doing industrialization by the introduction of by the invention of industrialization. Okay, क्या हुआ? ह्यूमन मेड एनवायरनमेंट मीन्स वो एनवायरनमेंट जिसमें आपका क्या है, जो ह्यूमंस ने बनाया, ओके, और जिसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं, जितना भी काम ह्यूमंस करते हैं वो सब इसी के अंदर आता है। हमने क्या किया, हमने बहुत तरक्की किया है, आपका एंशियंट टाइम से लेके अब तक हमने क्या क्या काम किए हैं। हमने एग्रीकल्चर किया है, ओके, हमने बहुत बड़े बड़े आपका शहर बनाए हैं, ओके, हमने इंडस्ट्रीज बनाई हैं, हमने बहुत बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियाँ बनाई हैं, हमने इंटरनेट कम्युनिकेशन को बढ़ाया है, हमने ह्यूमंस को बहुत आगे पहुंचा दिया है सिविलाइजेशंस में। ओके, सो दैट इज only created by humans, so that is known as human environment. Okay, I hope that you all are understand and understood all the terms and basic and the concepts of this chapter. And if you have any doubt regarding any topic, then you can ask in the then you can ask me in your group, and also comment in the YouTube section. Okay, and I will clear all your doubts or queries. Okay, so be safe, be healthy, take care of you and yourself, and be safe, be healthy, just take care of yourself, your family also, and just take care, and bye.